밥 먹자비.
And the salt and pepper.
Wanna eating it? I'll eat it out first.
Really?
I'll take some bad spots off.
Just pick a nice dry day. What's perfect if you get a dry day when the leaves are...
I can't wait till
뭐 먹어요?
I mean, I don't know. The rose bush, the roses only cost me $5.
맛있어?
Yeah, I bought them from Lidl. Actually.
아이스크림.
I think it was Lidl that had the Japanese maple syrup. We should try.
LG microwave. Nice. Let's see.
All the good stuff comes from Korea.
Yeah.
Cars, microwave, TV, son-in-law.
It's scary. You are pointing with the knife.
Don't worry, Dongun. If I don't want to kill it, I don't. Well, let's see what it looks like.
How much was it?
About $300.
Oh.
So the short people can reach it.
As a kid,
These are touch.
It looks good, Sue.
this is an inexpensive one. We didn't go crazy.
But 300 is not cheap.
No, but for an appliance, they go up to like $1,000.
1,000.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but some of them have convection ovens in them.
Some of them are even air fryers in them.
I got one there. Oh, that's not so bad.
Yeah, that's nice. It's not.
Don't have time tonight though.
Oh,
We're
yeah.
not doing it tonight.
Oh, you're not gonna do it tonight?
No.
Okay.
I just wanted to get it in. I'm tired
Yeah.
now. I need to lie down.
All right. Get up.
If I can get a trim kit and put that I can put in here, I think I'd rather do that.
Yeah. Isabelle, 할아버지는.
Look at Grandpa. He's waiting.
Oh, is she big?
Go. Don't disappoint him.
Oh.
There you go. Are you my angel? Yeah.
Yeah.
Is she an angel or is she a demon?
I said you. Goodbye and good luck. That's not my problem.
Goodbye, son.
Thank you for dinner.
Thank you for helping me with that box.
Why are they creepy?
Bye.
Oh, pretty lady. Handsome daddy.
Bye bye.
Bye, Isabelle.
Bye. It's still raining.
Yeah, put your shoes
일어서 이사벨 신발 신어.
Bye. Bye. Bye, Red Banana.
Bye.
Bye. I love you. Oh, it rains.
비와?
Be well.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, buddy. You look cute today. What are you moving up to? Got a date? Don't do that, okay?
I don't.
Big bags of chips would be a bad idea.
How about
Is it coming? Probably only loosen if it's... Wow. The texture.
Where is GoPro drilling?
We got that little piece of wood we made for the sink here.
Ah, yeah, that's good.
We'll probably match it for you. It's solid.
Yeah.
we got to drill the holes at the top. Well, with any luck, if we put the holes in the right place. And we have to rotate the mold to face this way. Lift this out.
I wonder if there is electric wires.
There is.
Oh, okay.
And then we put it back in.
Back in.
Okay. Screw going down. Doesn't it? Okay. Yes. It slides around so easy on the granite. I don't think it weighs anything. Yep. Yeah, looks like this one's in too. Will it fold all the way up? Are we in the spot? It's rotating up and it's hitting this.
Yeah, so we gotta put it down the bottom.
So we may not be in the wrong place.
Yeah, it's not wrong, but it's just
Okay, then we lift it.
yeah.
Screw it up tight.
Yeah.
Preset clock.
Nice.
This, I didn't realize it. This has Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi? Wow. You can setting Wi-Fi. That's pretty big.
I'll have to read because it, like things like Steam. Well, how do you do that?
Yeah.
That's cool.
That was a little tricky.
It was a little tricky, but we did it.
Yeah.
We tricked it.
Look at this. It's a Wi-Fi function.
Yeah, they should all fit. They all came from there.
I thought this is chocolate.
I wish. Well, I wasn't planning to get that far today. I just wanted to get the old one out.
Yeah, I mean, we did pretty fast.
We were lucky the holes.
Yeah, we could use the holes.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, we had to bricolage a little, but we were able to use the holes.
And then the
that were there.
handle's integral, right? Yeah, that's what I liked about it. You don't have to. It's really nice, isn't it?
And it thinks. It's called a think. But the buttons are really easy for you.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Glad you could come over. We'll see you later.
All right, see you. Bye.
Bye.
I think we're having German food.
German food, yeah.
Sounds like German food.
I don't know. I never had. So we are going to get Isabelle and Beatrice out of the daycare. Recently I have a back pain. It's so bad. Are you eating popsicle?
Sure. It's supposed to be popsicles with pops. So, you know, pop is another word for dad.
Yeah.
So it's cute.
Because his daddy's day.
Yeah, because Father's Day is Sunday.
It's windy today.
Thank you. Such a good job. Squeeze it up. Or Mama squeeze it. Okay, there you go.
가자. 이사벨 다 먹었어?
Okay, I'll do it.
가자. 밥 먹으러 갈 거야. Thank you. Thank you. 아 맞다 여기래. Whoa, look at that house.
Yeah, it's a German restaurant. It's cute, right?
Wow. Look at the German car. Like 가볼까?
배고파요.
아빠도 이 독일 음식이래요. 독일 음식. 가볼까?
이거 엄마 할머니한테 주고.
Well, I don't see their car. Oh, no, there's a car.
That's very cute.
Mommy, look it.
선인장이야. 캡터스.
앞에.
There. Hello.
No, I thought we were going to be back.
Such a good son. Anyway, happy second birthday.
Over there?
Hey, fella. Your teeth are going to be
Can you show me a smile like this?
candy candy.
I thought this is mine.
괜찮아, 아빠.
I'm okay. I can find them.
How was different when you're manly ones when you
맛있어? Good. 고기? Wow. It's 1974.
소리 아니에요.
엄청 오래됐네. 아빠 줘? 저거 봐봐.
You want to see the Nicaraguan one? Look at the pictures.
It's cute.
People need help. You want to be
It's good.
Kitchen for your sister. And you want that sauce?
Is it beef
It's beef.
and sausage? 알았어. 여기 놔둬도 돼? 여기 놔둬도 돼?
Where's the pork? What do you want? This? Okay.
돈가스네. 돈가스.
What's it taste like? You like it? Do you want to eat meat?
오.
Everything tastes good so far? Cookie? How's that taste? Is it good?
비밥.
Is it yummy?
I guess it's a handmade noodle, right? Yeah. It looks like 칼국수.
Mommy, can I try yours? 아빠, 이거는 내 거.
줄게. 맛있어? 만두. 전통 음식인지는 잘 모르겠는데 안에 떡갈비처럼
Do you want noodles? Mommy eat it? Okay.
Yeah. It's full of meat and very juicy. Is it meat?
No, it's cabbage, but it's not.
Maybe it's side dishes.
Yeah, it is. It's a side dish.
Maybe German kimchi.
Do you want me to cut up your meat or are you okay?
아빠 먹어볼래.
It's warm. Oh, this is good. 맛있지? 고기 돈가스.
This would be a very typical restaurant.
이사벨 올라와. Etiquette.
It's a kids.
Etiquette? We using etiquette, but we can use the 예의 범절. But etiquette they understand. Yeah.
You want me to eat?
I guess it's a universal word.
French word, so yeah.
Hey, bitch. Together, and the minute it was out of her mouth,
뭐야? 우와, 이사벨 봐. 카라멜도 있어, 이사벨.
Is it good?
초콜릿도 있고.
It's chocolate and cherry. No, I know. 6 rupees, like 2 rupees. It's a very famous cake in Germany. Yeah, looks like a Santa. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Thank you. Sleep tight when you get home.
Isabelle?
Bye, Mom.
Hi, I hope you feel better.
Okay, we'll see you Sunday.
I fell asleep. Look at these guys. 있을 거야?
네.
아빠는 요 위에 있는데 이렇게 되는데?
그러면 나비 맞이자.
우비손이에요? 우비손이야?
아빠.
응?
아빠.
우비손이네.
아빠. 아니.
언니?
아빠.
손잡아.
똥이야?
개똥.
엄마 탔어?
이제 모자 쓸래? 오스카도 따라온다. 비 오는데.
이리 와. 아빠 꽃이 죽었나 봐, 엄마. 물이 너무 많이 와서.
노란 꽃은 살아 있는데.
저거. 나비도 살아 있어.
비가 점점 많이 오는데 이사벨? 돌아갈까? Hi, good. How are you? Thank you.
감사합니다. 아빠가 해. 있어.
이거 아빠 써?
네, 아빠.
올라가. 비 갑자기 많이 오네.